Hi, I'm Mo. In this tutorial I will show you how to set up the Unity Live plugin. First, I'm gonna show how to download and install the plugin. Next, we will set up the network streamer in Xsens Animate Pro. Finally, we will cover setting everything up in Unity. Before you start, make sure you have Unity installed. You have an Animate Pro or Animate Live license. Lastly, that you have a recorded file or you are using live data from Xsens. Let's start by downloading and installing the plugin. First, create an empty Unity project or open your project. Then, navigate to the Unity Asset Store in your browser. At the top of the search bar, type MVN Live Animation. In the search result, you can find MVN Live Animation. Click it to open the plugin page. You might need to log in to your Unity account. Click Add to My Assets. A prompt for the terms of service may appear. Simply review the terms and click Accept to continue. Then you can click Open in Unity. And click Open Unity Editor. Package Manager in Unity will be opened. The plugin will be shown in My Asset. Make sure MVN Live Animation is selected, then click Import to Project button. Ensure all are selected. Then click Import. The plugin will be imported to your project. It will be located under Packages folder. Now, let's set up the network streamer. In Xsens Animate Pro, you can use an MVN file or a live setup. Open the network streamer by clicking on the network streamer icon. If there is no stream available yet, click Add button below. Ensure your streamer is selected. The default setting is configured to stream to your local computer on 9763 port via UDP protocol. Double-check your stream settings. You'll need to enable position plus orientation quaternion, character metadata, and scaling data. If your setup includes finger data, make sure Send Finger Tracking Data is toggled on. Now, let's set up the Unity. To create a live capture connection, go to Window, Live Capture, Connections. Click Plus to create server, and select Xsens connection. Then, click the Start toggle button will connect to the data stream if available. The indicator should go from red to green. If you have changed the port number from the default in Animate Live or Pro, you also need to change it in here. To set up a custom character, go to the project window. Select your character's FBX. Find the Rig tab in the inspector window. And make sure that animation type is set to humanoid. Then click Configure to check the mapping and T-pose. By default, Unity will create the T-pose for your character. But for fingers, thumbs need to be adjusted to fulfill the requirement of receiving live streaming data. Make sure the thumb is parallel to the other fingers, and its thumbnail should be facing upward. After finger adjustment, the error message "Character not in T-pose" will appear. You can ignore this. When finished, click Apply. Then click Done. Drag the character into the scene and keep selected. In the Inspector panel, click Add Component. Search Xsens Actor Device and select it. Your character will now be animated live with the Xsens data stream. For more information, visit the tutorial page on xsens.com/tutorials. Or have a look at our extensive knowledge base on base.xsens.com. Thank you for watching.